Hello friends. Today in this video I will tell you about a very good USDT earning platform. If you have a low budget to invest, then this platform will prove to be a game changer for you. You will find the link of this platform in the description box of the video. So first of all, you have to register your account on this platform. To register account here, you have to enter your email and password here. The invitation code is already filled if you follow my invitation link in the description box. After that, you have to register your account successfully by clicking on Register Now. I have already registered my account on this website, so I log in my account. After login account, you see this type of interface. After sign up your account, you will get some USDT free of cost here instantly, through which you will be able to do daily tasks and make a good income. So friend, now I will tell you how to recharge here. You have to click on the recharge option, and after that you have to copy this wallet address. After that, you have to go to your Binance account, or you have to go to your crypto wallets, like Trust Wallet. So after coming to your wallet, you have to select USDT TRC20 and click on Send button. After your transaction is done, please come back to your account and click on Submit button. Then your recharge receive in your account immediately. So friends, I hope you understand recharge process. Now I will introduce you VIP levels. Here you will find many types of VIP labels. I have successfully upgraded the VIP 1 after as soon as the recharge is complete. Introduce VIP. For upgrade VIP 1, you need to deposit only few USDT and you will become a VIP 1 member, where you will get daily free task and generate a very good income. For upgrade VIP 2, you need to deposit some extra USDT and earn very good USDT. VIP 3 and VIP 4 and VIP 5 and VIP 6 and VIP 7 and VIP 8 is also have a very high income. VIP 9 membership is the highest daily income plan, where you will become a millionaire only few days. So now I will tell you how you will be able to complete the daily task here. Just click on Daily Task option, and click Submit button, and complete all tasks one by one. You can see here, I have completed all the tasks, and now you can see my daily earnings here. So okay friends, now I will tell you how you have to withdraw your earnings here. For withdraw your earnings, you need to click on Withdraw button. After click on Withdraw button, you need to bind your USDT receiving wallet address. After binding your wallet address, just click on Back button, and you will redirect on Withdraw page. Here you need to fill your withdrawal funds amount, and also fill your withdrawal password, and select your wallet address. After filling all details here, you need to click on Withdraw button, and your withdrawal received in your wallet after just few seconds. Okay friends, now I tell you how you earn extra income by invite your friends and family members to join the platform. You just need to click on Share button and copy your invitation link. After copy your invitation link, just share this link to your friends and family members. 2% for second level members, recharge 1000 USDT, you get 20 USDT. 1% for third level members, recharge 1000 USDT, you get 10 USDT as a gift. Note: if you meet the conditions, please contact customer service within 24 hours to claim the reward. After the settlement time is considered invalid, your team needs to recalculate the record within 24 hours. The bonus can be withdrawn immediately and unlimited times. If you recommend more users to join your promotion link, the more commission rewards you will get, and the commission collected by the recommended users will directly enter your member account, and you can withdraw cash directly. Now my withdrawal is already received in my crypto wallet account. You can see the live withdrawal proof here. So friends, this is a very trusted and profitable platform. Please register your account on this platform and earn daily extra income. You will find the registration link in description box of the video. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.